Let me show you this Alpine unit. It's the Alpine W940. And that's on high speed. So if you come to the same problem that I had, then you're going to have this ground here and nothing to bolt that other piece to. Welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage. Today's episode, we're dealing with a problem I've had on my 95 Dodge or 94 Dodge ever since I bought it. The truck, I drove it home, it started raining, went to turn the wipers on and nothing. I think I made it home, I don't remember when, but anyways, I had to pull all the shielding off, whacked it with a hammer, and well, it's been going like that since for another year and a half. So the other day when I tried to take it to work and the wipers wouldn't start. You can't really have that. Obviously, a number of reasons. We live in a very rainy climate. Today is beautiful, but there's probably going to be 2 days of sunshine and then another 12 days of rain. we gotta fix this. So that's what we're doing today. And that's on high speed. And that's actually better than it was before. We've got to remove this clip here. This one's missing. But that's okay. And then the middle one there. So basically 5 clips minus the one I'm already missing. Alright, so right here, this tab here will move in and out.
5 minutes later.
You can see it's coming up. And I just have to... There. Holy mackerel. It's not supposed to be that freaking tough. So right here we have our obviously our new pump. It's a little bit different. You can see that one of the problems these things have is the fact that they have poor ground. So you see there's another ground here. Let's go ahead and put it in. As you can see, this is different because we don't have the tabs here. So I'm not sure how that's going to work. We're going to go ahead and put it in and hope for the best. Alright, let's plug this back in. And we're going to have to find something else to do with this. Probably going to get a wire and bolt it to here. So if you come to the same problem that I had, then you're going to have this ground here and nothing to bolt that other piece to. So right now we're just gonna make a ground. Okay, so there we go there. So I'm just gonna go ahead here and strip this wire back. Not gonna make it quite this long, but maybe that long here, and then we're just gonna bolt this. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is gonna serve as this here, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wrap this around here. We're going to bolt it to the top, and then we're going to ground out the top of this pump as well. So, or pump, I mean the motor. So let's go ahead and install that. I'm getting water down inside here, so before I put all this back together, I want to make sure that works. Well, let's see if we can fire it up and make sure this is working here. Now I'm just going to go grab my shop vac and I'm going to vacuum out these leaves and see where the water might be getting into my cab, because it's getting up my floors here. So my buddy who's a window guy told me about this being a common problem. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Feel free to share the video and let us know how we did by commenting right down below. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps us out so we know that you guys are enjoying the content just as much as we enjoy making it. Thank you for coming along with the journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next Dodge video coming out next Sunday. As for the G35, we're actually going to move on to another project. We're actually going to show you a project we've been working on for 3 years. And I don't mean working on, I mean I've had it for 3 years. Anyways, so that's what's happening next Friday. We're going to introduce you to a new project. Maybe another engine swap. Hope you're having a great day. Take care, and we'll see you next time.